Hi guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm just going to show you how you can use the green screen feature on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this video here, and I'm just going to go to the part where they show the green screen. Select your video, go to remove background, select chroma key, and you're going to select the color picker and you're going to select the green area. You can also adjust the intensity and whatnot. I'm just going to place it on the second layer of the video. Then underneath you can place any video that you want. And that is pretty much it. There's also like other green screen types where it's like on top of your video, like these ones with the like subscribe button, like you can place it on top of your videos like like so. Just the intensity, I don't know. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.